Welcome to My Vision Express Employee Messages. The Employee Messages screen allows you to share information with other employees and security groups. It is possible to link information to the message. You can link patient ID number, order number, insurance number, and/or exam number. This feature can be accessed by going to the toolbar and clicking on the Messages button, or you may also go to the menu and select Tools, Employee Messages. The Employee Messages screen will open. At the top of the screen, you will find the Show section. Using the radio buttons and checkboxes, you can select the messages based on different criteria. Message assigned to me. This is messages sent to the current logged on user. Unassigned only. Messages sent to all employees and security groups. Show completed date status. Messages with a completed date assigned. Warn only. Messages that are marked to open when the employee signs in. Filter button allows the employee to select messages based on an individual or multiple criteria fields. Delete selected deletes the selected message. To select a message, click on it in the message list box. On the lower part of the screen, we have the message information. The fields are populated with the information from the currently selected message. The fields for the employee messages are from message sender, to message recipient, priority, message importance, warn, message screen will open automatically when the employee clocks in, due date, date by which an action should be performed, status, evaluation of the work progress done in reference of the actions required, status date, this is the date when the message status was changed, updated, completed date, date when the actions or work required was completed, patient number, order number, insurance number, exam number, all link information to the message. And then, of course, the message is the message content. The Send Message to box. This allows you to select the recipients for the message. This list includes all employees and security groups for the active location. To send a message to all employees, select Unassigned. If group is selected, this will send the message to all users in that particular security group. Click to select a recipient. To select multiple recipients, click on multiple rows. To deselect a recipient, click on it again. Create a new employee message. First, let's click on the New button. Select all the information to be included. This information could be from drop-down lists, calendar, types, or from a search dialog box. To link information to the message, in the patient number, order number, insurance number, exam number fields, type the appropriate number or click on the button to the right of the corresponding to open the search screen. In this search screen, fill the appropriate criteria and click on the search button, or click on the search button to have a list of all patients. Double-click to select the appropriate patient record. Type the message content and then click on the Send button. The message will be listed in the message box. Now, let's open a session as the recipient of the message we just sent. Now let's to reply and then send a message. Select the message you need to reply to in the message list. Click the Reply button. The cursor will appear blinking in the message text area. Change the fields, add all the information needed for the reply message. Select recipients, and when done editing and adding text and selecting the recipients, click on the Send button. The message will show the original message and the text that was added as a reply. To access the link information. To see the information that's linked to a message, you will need to double-click on the information column for the selected message. This will open the corresponding screen. Messages referencing a specific patient are logged in the Interactions tab of the patient's profile. To view all the interactions, go to select the Interactions tab. Select Messages tab inside the Interactions tab. Here you will have all the messages that have a reference to this patient. You can reply to a message from the patient's profile screen. Click Messages. Or create a new message from the patient profile screen. Click on Add Messages. Replying to a message. Click on Messages to access all the messages in the patient's profile. From the messages list, select the message to which to reply to. Click the Reply button, then fill in and type in the information on the appropriate fields, select the recipient, and then click the Send button. Let's go back to the patient's profile screen and create a new message. Click the Add Messages to create a new message. Fill in, type in the information on the appropriate fields, select the recipients, and then click the Send button. It is also possible to see a report on employee messages, and this feature can be accessed by going to File, Reports, Employee Messages. The report can include all employee message, or it could filter using the From and To fields. Click the Search button to preview the report. And that is it for employee messages. Thank you for watching. This is My Vision Express.